A durable, weather-resistant roof is one of the most important investments for homeowners in Plymouth. With the region's mix of cold winters, heavy snow, and occasional coastal winds, choosing the right roofing material can make all the difference in protecting your home while maintaining curb appeal. Let's explore some of the best roofing materials for long-lasting Plymouth homes, focusing on performance, maintenance, and longevity. Asphalt shingles. The reliable classic asphalt shingles remain one of the most popular roofing materials for Plymouth homes, and for good reason. They offer a balance of affordability, style, and durability that appeals to most homeowners. High-quality architectural shingles can last between 25 to 30 years when properly installed and maintained. Why they're great for Plymouth. Designed to withstand harsh weather and temperature swings, easy to repair or replace. Individual shingles available in various colors and textures to complement any home style. For homeowners looking for a cost-effective solution that doesn't sacrifice appearance, asphalt shingles are a dependable choice. Metal roofing. Built for strength and efficiency, metal roofing is gaining popularity in Plymouth thanks to its exceptional longevity and energy efficiency. A properly installed metal roof can last 50 years or more, making it a smart long-term investment. Benefits of metal roofs. Excellent resistance to snow and ice buildup, reflects sunlight, reducing cooling costs in summer. Fire-resistant and eco-friendly. As many metal roofs use recycled materials, metal roofs are also available in various finishes, from sleek standing seam panels to metal shingles that mimic traditional materials like slate or wood. While the upfront cost is higher than asphalt, the durability and minimal maintenance make it a cost-effective option over time. Slate roofing. Timeless elegance and extreme durability. If your goal is to invest in a roof that will last for generations, slate is a premier option. Natural slate roofs can last 100 years or more with minimal maintenance. They provide unmatched elegance and resilience, making them perfect for historic or high-end Plymouth properties. Key advantages. Natural stone resists fire, mold, and weather damage. Low maintenance and incredibly long lifespan enhances property value and aesthetic appeal. Slate roofing is heavy and typically requires professional installation and reinforced structural support. However, its beauty and longevity make it a top-tier choice for homeowners seeking a lifetime solution. Cedar shakes and shingles. Natural beauty with proper care. Cedar roofing offers a warm, rustic look that's perfect for Plymouth's charming neighborhoods. When properly maintained, cedar shakes can last 30 to 40 years. They provide natural insulation, helping regulate indoor temperatures throughout the seasons. Pros of cedar roofs. Naturally resistant to insects and decay, provides excellent insulation properties. Unique, natural aesthetic that ages gracefully. Regular maintenance is essential to prevent moisture damage and moss growth. Modern treatments can improve resistance to fire and weather, extending the life of cedar roofs. Synthetic roofing. Advanced durability and style for homeowners who want the look of slate, tile, or wood without the weight or maintenance. Synthetic roofing materials are an excellent alternative. These engineered products can last 40 to 50 years and are designed to mimic natural textures while providing superior durability. Why synthetic roofing works for Plymouth. Lightweight yet highly impact-resistant, UV-resistant and weatherproof. Available in a wide range of styles and colors, synthetic materials are ideal for Plymouth's unpredictable weather and provide a great balance of appearance, performance, and cost. Final thoughts. Choosing the best roofing material for your Plymouth home comes down to balancing aesthetics, budget, and long-term performance. Asphalt shingles remain a versatile and affordable option for most homeowners, while metal and synthetic roofs provide exceptional longevity and energy efficiency. For those seeking timeless elegance and unmatched durability, slate and cedar stand out as top contenders. Before deciding, it's wise to consult a local roofing professional who understands Plymouth's climate and can recommend materials best suited to your home's design and your long-term goals. A well-chosen roof not only protects your home but also enhances its value and curb appeal for decades to come.